Anong ginawa mo sa Netherlands, Chi?
Short.
Bumili ng short. Tingin nga.
Yes, only 5 euro.
5 euros. Wow, so
Okay,
proud.
And then after tomorrow, I'm coming back to Finland.
Kailan mo yan suotin? Sa Finland na.
Sa Finland.
Here is not totally separate. This much like further.
Because very expensive. Very cheap here in
Nakapunta lang.
Finland.
You just come to Amsterdam or to Netherlands just to buy underwear or shorts. Ikaw na talaga.
Leaves on the trees.
Yes.
Yeah.
Summer. Summer leaf.
Hello Ray guys, we are in the car. Wala, dito na kami tatlong babae sa likod no para hindi masyado masikip. Yeah. Kahit nandito ako sa likod guys, I'm observing how drivers in Netherlands are, and we feel like yung city nila guys is so cramped. Alam mo yung sobrang tight, hindi kami sanay kasi mas malawak kasi talaga sa Finland, and even though sa capital cities hindi siya ganito ka-cramp, as in yung feeling namin nasa tight spaces kami. So papunta na kami doon sa accommodation namin, and nakapag-nap na rin si Archie, as in pagoda sila. Uy. Pagod ka na? Pagod kaming lahat guys, walang mga tulog no, kulang sa tulog kasi maaga, pero pagdating dito gala agad. So mamaya meron pa siguro tayong mga pupuntahan ng mga lugar na enjoy Anika. How many windmills you saw today? Huh? How many? 8? Sobrang dami nilang windmills guys, and sobrang ganda tingnan. Grabe guys, ang mga bahay nila dito sobra kagaganda.
Head southeast on Baron van Heemsterlaan toward Ter Lidelaan.
Tapos maya nawala na lang pala kami. Kasi yung Google, tarantada din tong Google na to ba? Mali niya kanina.
Hindi mo na update.
Ano hindi update?
Google mo.
Update to.
Mali minsan kanina, mali yung bigay ni Google na answer sa amin guys.
Saan dito? Sa Kanakaw?
Ending.
Ha?
Road ending.
Hala, iba na naman day. Field man to.
Oo, ito Word Boden.
Yan, berberin tugang. Natugang.
Boden, Tugang.
Patay. Ito na siguro.
Ayun na pinangarap mong ano
Ano? Diyan ba tayo magstay? Oh my God guys, dito pala kami magstay.
Ha?
Hindi.
Yung mapa na.
Di bali nang mawala kami guys.
Ito pati yung ginahanap talaga. Ito
Maganda naman yung ano. Nakikita namin ng mga views. Look at the tree daddy, it's so big oh.
Ito yung pinapakita.
Chicken there.
Tama.
Yes, there is a chicken here.
Tama?
We're on the right.
We're on the right.
Northwest on Baron van Heemsterlaan toward Ter Lidelaan.
Oh,
This right?
But I think paying the electricity and everything, it's just cheaper.
Grabe yung mga bahay nila dito, parang
Go
pang
forward.
yeah, go forward. Pang fantasy world man,
We're
pang
coming
fan.
back.
Ano,
My-
grabe, oh.
My friend keep the
Wow,
chicken,
sobrang gaganda ng
winter
bahay
time
nila,
season.
guys. As in.
But for now they stop it. But for
Grabe,
now,
kaganda ng mga
it's
bahay
for
nila,
like,
man.
Summertime.
Yeah.
It's a problem.
Just you know.
Wala na kami, guys.
I imagine
Bahala na,
that,
guys. Ang usapan
like
nila, ducks na.
You have a duck. During the winter, you have the ducks free. And then in the afternoon, you're coming back again to your house. And
yeah.
find the...
Oran.
Suara. 100% very unmitigated.
So the,
They have
so the
very
ducks
nice
in
houses.
Finland, during the winter, they are migrating to another country.
Nikila will search na our accommodation, Anika. Grabe kayo, sobrang ganda ng mga bahay nila. Ang gaganda.
Turn right onto 3 Poelon.
Nagkawala-wala na kami and all talaga, guys. But it's okay.
Water source. You need to
Yeah, right.
find out
Nico.
how to keep it for like
Yeah, you know the
minerals. Yeah. Oh.
yeah,
There's
the
so
food
many
for the ducks is the same as the
Look,
chicken.
And it's
Grabe guys, ang gaganda ng mga bahay nila
like,
dito.
possible in Finland if you just have
Wow.
some place to
Yeah.
As in talaga, sobrang ganda.
And also I observed that in market they are not selling the duck egg, only the chicken.
Wow. Ang ganda guys. May mga... There's sheeps.
Yeah.
It's a
There's
duck.
sheeps.
maybe one is that for the winter.
Oh, there's so
that
many
they want to-
animals, Anika. Look, there's
one is
cows.
for like water
Wow.
compare for like chicken.
Long neck bird the other side.
So na, long
Did you
neck
see?
tanduay.
long long neck
Wow,
and
it's so beautiful.
I have a 600 heads of ducks before.
Okay. You need to have a
Not farm.
by
Inside only the cage.
like
Like a chicken.
something like
The simple house only.
Sobrang ganda guys. Wala na talaga
It's
ako
only a small
masabi.
area.
no, but
Sobrang
I mean,
charming
you
ng
want to
lugar.
grow here. Like
Where's Anika? Ano li autos sa? Ano pa si ulos? Dito na kami guys. Saan tayo magstay dito, Chi?
Ako lang.
Recepti.
You find.
De Hof van Eden. Ito yung reception nila guys.
Oh my God, there's just a small.
Uy, there's a selecta. Ano, may ice cream na. Ay, masarap. Mamaya tikman natin yung mga ice cream nila. So, ito na guys yung reception.
If you go here outside of the left, green door, there are toilets, just toilets, shower and toilet
Okay.
right over there.
Isto, Anika, sit down. Day, oh, look, they have cheeses. Dapat magdala tayo ng ganito sa ano. Cheeses.
And the name and Lisa.
Aaron and Marcos.
Yes. And you booked with bed sheets.
Mm.
5 in total. That's correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then it's a €50 that has to pay.
Mhm.
The rest
I
is
bought
all
4.
paid.
Four lang.
4. Wala
Only
na si
four?
Anika.
Yeah, wala na.
Only 4. You booked
4?
So, dito na kami guys. Can I take
So,
some chocolates?
There's one. You're with 4 in total, or one bring it their own.
One
Yeah.
green beer.
Okay, perfect. Then it's a total of 40 that has to pay.
Okay.
Meron mo na to
So many places.
so many places. Even to come here,
Yeah.
you're
get
also lost.
Yeah.
You get lost
Then
all
I
the
understand
time.
because a lot of people they have that because
You have so weird roads.
we are here in like 3 villages. It is here
Ah.
Lisse, Sassenheim and Warmond.
Oh, okay.
So I understand that you get lost to come here. But I will give you this.
That's
We are located over there.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you have already plans to do.
We have already, like tomorrow, we plan to go to the
Keukenhof?
garden. Yeah.
That's here.
Okay. Oh, it's very close.
It's really easy.
Ah, but
If you take this road,
yeah.
there is only one road. If
Okay.
you take this one, only straight ahead.
Okay.
At the end you have two options. You go to left or you go to right.
Okay.
If you have that option, you go to the right. Just go straight ahead. And if you just go straight ahead, then it will bring you to Keukenhof.
Okay.
Because what I just explained you is like this.
Mm.
This is the same road, the same road, the same road. There you have the option. And if you take to the right, then you will pass by Keukenhof.
You mean this road here where we came from?
Yeah.
Is that the flower?
Next to the canal?
Yeah.
Oh.
The flower field there?
Only
Yeah.
the first place here next to the canal. Then
Okay.
you're going in the polder.
Okay.
It's a field.
Okay.
You will have the first
50
end.
to the first one.
Yeah.
Okay.
S2 is the number. We prepared it so it's already open.
Mm.
It's okay to drive with the car to there to take out of the stuff. But after that we asked to park the car here.
Here, just this
Or
right
there.
there.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's not so far. It's just there.
No, but sometimes people have a lot of stuff.
But
and
there's
then
a
it's
cart
easier
I
to go
saw
there.
that we can
Yeah,
bring
you
that
can use
cart
also.
and put our stuff there. Okay, that
There's
would be
a
nice.
water source. Have these like
There's a canal.
like fishing stuff here to rent.
No, we don't have that.
You should
They don't
have-
have fish.
This is
Netherlands.
when I was
yeah, there is here also fish.
There's also.
Yeah,
But
big
you don't have
and
fishing.
ugly and all.
Ugly.
Yeah. We have like this here in the water.
go to Denmark. I said that you guys have a water source on the beach.
Hey,
but
Daddy,
you-
it's like a
Oh,
Mikasaon.
But I'm not. Maybe
It's not
eating that,
ugly.
but
It's beautiful.
Yeah?
It's a goldfish.
I like the colors.
is that
Not this.
carp or
Yeah, I think it's a
Carper.
tilapia. Tilapia na day? Carpa?
I said that
Oh.
Hindi naman kinakain.
that you guys have a water source, but you don't have a boat. But I.
Walang free.
Walang free. Uy, Archie, oh, ito, Chi. Kuha ka ng ganito, Chi. Lagay natin yung mga gamit natin saan.
Sure?
Yes.
Lodge.
Ha?
No.
Our lodge has some wheels.
Hey, hey, we can put it here.
We can bring our own.
No, capital.
If you want to ride, it's free.
Ha?
If you want to ride, it's free.
Yeah, pwede na yan. Oh. Here. Ito yung pangalan ng aming ano guys. Oh, Camping de Hof van Eden.
Wow, brand photo.
Dito yung Vox.
Saan bang dito
Ito.
ano? Ah,
Ah, press mo yun.
wala naman.
Ah.
Ganun pala.
Hindi na lang pala namin ilagay guys. Kaya kaya naman namin bit-bitin no. Diyan lang yung aming tent. Oh, glamping man kami no. Glamorous camping. Ganyan lang aming accommodation. Gilang lang siya. Kasi tulugan lang din natin yan, Day, no? Puksiin niya yung tulips. Day, oh, hala kaganda, Day. Grabe ka, dagko man.
Malaki rin yan, no?
Dagko na. Ito na, oh. S2 man to, no? Oh, ito na yung aming accommodation.
Where?
Ito.
It's bigger.
Yeah, it's so big. Wow! House tour? Ay, meron na lang palang mga utensils dito, Day.
May utensils.
Ay, magluto-luto ta, Day.
Tara, mag-ano na tayo.
This is a nice idea.
This is a nice idea, right? Glamping. Oh.
Yeah, you can get your own like this.
Let's have something like this, Daddy, in the Meki. Oy, saya, oh.
Ay, you want lahat?
Oh,
And here?
yes. Nice, di ba? Dito ko patulogin si Anika, Day. Dira ba sa taas? No.
Pwede pala kanin lahat dito, no?
Ha? Ito guys, yung aming accommodation.
The
So,
problem is worse, the bathroom.
the bathroom is outside. Ito dito siya guys, bed lang siya, ganyan Tapos meron ng bed sheets, ganyan. Kami na maglalagay ng bed sheets niyan. Tapos meron siyang tawag nito dito. Unan na, may bed, may duvet. Tapos yung may malalagyan din doon ng damit, may mirror siya guys. Tapos pwede mo siyang i-close for privacy. Tapos dito, ladi o tatoy ani kan kakisialta. Merong table dito guys. So, sorry guys ha, nagkalat na gini guys kay. Ay, random moments lamang gini mo So ito dito, yung table. Pwede kami dito kumain ng breakfast tomorrow. And then in here,
Yung boat, nagmalis na
dito merong 4 na beds. Double deck siya day, no? Oy, nice toy. No? Nice siya.
Sana dito na lang sumama yung dalawa, no?
Oo nga.
Kasi hindi din sila.
Ayaw man nila, bay. Kasi kasya lang man kami doon ni Anika sa kabila day,
Diba may message ko kung pwede pa 2 person, pero hindi daw kasi nga anong tawag dito?
Kasya magod na, oy.
How nifty.
Kuso, daddy.
Can I so nifty?
Wala yun. Anika, your shoes, Anika, you put it on the side. Tapos, meron ditong mini kitchen. Ayan, very functional lang din siya. Meron siyang lutuan dito na electric siya, guys. Tapos, meron ditong water. May ref dito, day. Pwede tayo maglagay dito ng mga juice, day. Mga drinks. Yan. Tapos, merong coffee maker. May pot. May knife. May mga utensils na rin siya and panglinis. Ayan. Maganda siya actually, Day. This is very nice idea, Daddy, no? We should have something like this, and we have like a terrace in here.
But this is already you can buy in the market.
Yeah, we can buy this in the market. It's nice to,
But they are selling, including this one, I think.
I think
You
it's
will buy a whole house, including the lamp.
the structure.
The structures, the round wood.
But this idea is very nice, no?
Dismantle lang. Dismantle.
Yeah, it's very nice actually. We can have some kind of a summer house like just like this way. Isn't it? So yan yung mga kapitbahay namin, guys. So glamping lang kami, no. Hindi natin pakita yung iba, guys, kay.
That's because of the same.
Yan ang aming titirhan.
This is calculated as snow.
It will not be able. This is only for this kind of climate.
It does not push it to down.
Then the tent is gonna be rickety. It's gonna be broken, but it's very nice. Ang ganda, Chi, no?
But I think the winter is not coming here for like a...
No, they don't have very harsh snow like in Finland.
Same like Denmark.
Actually, malapit kami sa airport, guys. Kamarinig mo yung aeroplano, but it's okay. Ang ganda. Ang aeroplano, guys, o doon sa taas. Ang laki! Ang laki, guys! Ang ganda ng aming tent. So, mag-aayos na muna ako. Meron na ring mga baso dito, guys. May tadtaran. May mga basic utensils. Then, may plato. Tapos, meron ding basic na mga gamit pang luto. May lutuan. Ayan. Tapos, may ref doon. Meron palang lamp dito, guys. So, pwede din namin itong mababa mamaya for privacy, diba? Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda na siya. This is nice. Very nice. And this is very practical accommodation here. It's very nice, Daddy, right? Very nice. Nothing fancy, but the most important thing is the bed where we can sleep and there's a blanket. Maybe maingay lang siguro ang aeroplano, but I think it's okay. Ha? No? Ganon talaga na, Chi, no? Ganon talaga.
Under the...
Ganon talaga. Ready na yung shorts niya.
I think this would be very nice.
Ganun talaga eh.
Yeah, in Philippines, it would be very nice, no? In Philippines ba?
Just for rain cover, yeah. This is blocked for insects like
Mosquitoes. Yeah,
flies.
that's true.
But it's like this in the Philippines.
There's light in here. How to turn on the light?
It's kind of will damage immediately
In Philippines?
because it's very hot. Oh.
Asa mo nang pag-turn on na ng light, Chi?
That's remote control.
Ha? Remote control? Ay! Usap daw?
Actually,
Wala.
Battery low.
Battery low.
Ate, ako ang panyo pala.
Ha?
Ang panyo.
Ma'am banyo, tingnan natin mamaya. Tingnan natin mamaya. I-assemble mo daw yung upuan, Chi. Yan,
Dito sa loob ng kwarto nyo ang ang ilaw.
Archie, i-assemble mo yung yung
Chair.
chairs dito, I think it is. Yeah, that's the one. Yan, meron na kami ilaw. Di ba? Inutusan na si Sir.
Naka-live ba yan?
Naka-live to. Galingan mo kay live ba yan to?
Dami mo nakakita dyan.
Hindi, uy, recording mani, uy.
I-edit mo pa naman, di ba?
Di ba? Char. Ito natin ilagay. Ang ganda, guys. It's dalawa. Tig-isa kayo ni Nico.
So ang mangyayari, we will buy our food and cook. Or we will buy
Pwede lang yung breakfast lang siguro. Or ano ba?
Ano lang, yung pang grill.
Pang grill? Saan natin mag-grill dito? Wala kang grilling area, Chi.
Ha?
Wala kang grilling area.
not working in Finland.
Mm.
There's so much hyttynen.
Yeah, mosquitoes in Finland.
Nobody don't pay. It's the first and last time when somebody is renting it.
Yeah. But it's very nice. I like this idea. This is very nice.
Palyon, hutun.
Palyon? Palyon? Palyon ano?
Ano ka yung
Hutus, yeah. Hutus, yeah.
Hutus, yeah.
Take two. Di ba? Nalagyan na namin ng blanket, ng cover, yung pillowcase, and bed sheets, guys. Ayan na, di ba? Tapos, si Elisa din and si Archie, tapos na rin. Naglagay na rin. Tapos dito, empty na to. Kasi 5 lang man kami. 6 kasi kasya dito. Pero, lang kami 5. Tapos dito is, kay Anika. Ito na rin yung blanket ni Anika. Dito na lang yung kay Anika na blanket. Yan. Uy, mag-ano tayo? San? Banyo. Teka lang. Magbanyo muna tayo, guys. Kasi, nga natin yung banyo nila. Itsura ng banyo nila dito. Kaya doon sa labas ang banyo. Kasi diba merong cows on farm dito?
We are sleeping and
Airplane is dropping.
so it's so close to flying. You can melt down. That's
Coco Sweet Glamping Safari. Diba? Papasok, guys, yan na yung aming yung aeroplano, guys. Yan lang, Saan ang toilet, Day? Saan ang toilet? Parang doon man yata, Day.
Diyan.
Ha? Diyan? Asa man ni dalawa pa dulong? Dali na kay naihi na ako, Day. Saan banda yung ating CR, Day? Hanapin natin yung CR. Dito. Wala ang shower. Saka male and female na toilet dito.
Kasi
Male and female. Okay. Karpa.
Koy.
Ha?
Koy yun.
Koy ba yun o karpa?
May color. Koy.
So nice. Yung buong camping. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda.
Ay, papunta pala ng dito.
Ganda picture. Hala! Bangka ni Sir, Mahug ka dyan, Chi, ha? Wag mamayari ni Don Archie. Ang ganda, guys. Grabe. We cannot have this kind of roof there in Finland, no? Because It's flat. Look, Daddy, there's a boat. Look, Daddy, there's a boat coming.
It can be, but it need to be like strong for it can handle the snow.
Yeah. May farm doon guys sa kabila. So pwede din namin yung puntahan no and visit. We have a lot of boats in here. Canal ang tawag nila dito guys kung saan itong harbor. Ang saan yung pinapark yung mga bangka. Tapos dito mga summer houses siya no. Yan oh. Ang ganda tingnan guys. But it's a little bit noisy because of the airplane. Kasi malapit siya sa airport. Malapit siya sa Schiphol Airport, and sa kabilang side meron train station. So ito yung sinasabi niya, andito daw yung second toilet and bath. Ito ba yun? At the end daw. Ito nga yun. Ang ganda, di ba tingnan guys? Maka-in love man yung mga dahon nila guys. Uy, ang ganda tingnan. Saan kaya dito? Nahanap natin yung toilet and bath dito na side sa dulo. Ito lahat guys, pag mamay-ari ito ng isang lang. Pero, ito. Ang ganda, di ba? Magkano kaya yung ganyan na cabin? Ito may outdoor shower. Toilet dito. Tapos toilet and bath daw ito dito. Toilet and bath. Unisex. Yan. Hindi ko alam yun. Jebo. V. Para same lang man guys. For men and women. Same lang yata. May for ayun yung kanilang toilet dyan. Meron silang shower dito. Wala. Ano yung shower nila? Wala may shower. Iba man. Pero mangihis ako guys. Uy. Dito na side, same lang yung itsura ng shower nila. But yeah, it's okay. Hindi naman kayo maging forever dito, no? Pero tingnan nyo yung block-lock, guys. Ang ganda, ganda, ganda. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Dito na side. Mga bahay-bahay din to dito, no? Mga camping din to dito na side, guys. Na pwede mo rin siyang i-rent. Sobrang ganda ng aming accommodation. It's so simple. On, I have brought. Oh, it's there in the luggage. You thought I didn't bring luggage? Luggage like slippers. I did bring. Huh? Private area siya dito. Ang ganda, no? Summer house.
Little summer house.
It's so nice. So yung camping doon lang sa kabila. Ito dito. Mga
I think dito, oh.
Hindi, I think dito man, Day. Kasi ito, Day, sa kanila man to lahat dito.
Lake ba yan? Lake na?
Kanal.
Kanal? Pero
hindi man kanal para sa atin, kanal na naikuan.
pero lower area to, tapos doon mataas ang tubig. So it means kung
Actually,
tubig pupunta dito.
May towel na kasama.
May towel doon?
May towel doon. Oo, andoon sa tent. Kasama na yung towel doon sa
May
mga...
towel akong dala.
Ay, may towel ka? Ang ganda ng mga tanim. Oh.
Kasi summer na dito.
No? Daddy, if we have a summer house just like that one, it's very cute. No? It's very nice. Kahit ganito lang ang bahay mo,
Then buy this kind of make a camp.
Pwede naman yung bahay ko. Kita
ang ganda, di ba? Kahit yan na, yung may color green dahil. Ang ganda,
Kalaki, okay na ako. Andun ko yung malaki.
Tapos,
Hindi naman niluya.
Hindi ko naman ninuya. Ayaw na maglinis kasi matanda na.
Mayaman ka naman.
Grabe guys, ang ganda. Sulit man dahil no, yung ano natin no. Siguro medyo maingay lang yung eroplano. Pero okay lang man. Tignan mo yung purple chain na bulaklak ko, ang ganda. You know? No?
Tagal na pala nito.
Kinat-cut lang nila. Wala pa. Hala, ang ganda ng ganito.
Oo.
Saan?
Araw.
Ay, bahay din yan.
Oo.
Good for 2 yan dyan.
Ay, ito pala may toilet para dito din, oh.
Pwede yan dyan tayo.
Diyan na lang siguro tayo. Something like that, Daddy, we can build, Daddy.
May tao ba to? Wala yata.
Wala. Dyan ka lang, upo ka lang daw.
Ang ganda, Chi. Sobrang
Archie.
ganda. Wow.
Diba?
Ang ganda, Chi. Dawi. Cheese! Ang ganda. Grabe guys, ang ganda ng mga
Show now.
house.
Somebody
Yeah.
coming.
In the other house, merong may nakatira. Parang dito na lang siguro tayo na mag-toilet. Mas malapit to.
Malayo pa yung ano natin. Ang tente.
Ha? Malayo pa ba? Hindi, ayan lang sa kabila. Somebody is staying there. Ito din, oh. I think this is just like a smaller one there, or you can do grilly. This is cute. It's just a bed inside, maybe. It's just for sleeping.
I think there is...
But ours, it's really glamping din, no? Meron talaga siyang may higaan, may kainan.
And also there is
Meron
the
pa sa
secret...
labas.
There is a secret room under the ground.
Ah, the secret room under the ground? Secret room. May nalalaman pa siyang secret room. Hindi, yan, dito.
That's brand of this. This kind of like a. It's look like an American caravan village. This kind of.
It's nice, no? Sa Finland, iba man ang ano, itsura.
Sa gubat sila.
Sa guba tayo.
Sa gubat.
In the middle of the forest.
Middle talaga yun, si. Magpunta ka doon sa campsite na. Sabi mo talaga, saan mo kami dalhin, Bewley? Ay, mas malapit pala yung dyan. Diyan na lang tayo mamaya maligo. No? Mas malapit siya kasi dyan lang yun sa atin, oh.
Bird. Huh? See the bird. Ay, house bird.
Ha? House bird? Birdhouse. Ano ba talaga?
House bird. Yung bahay ibon.
Ang ganda. Mag-rent tayo ng ganyan. Punta tayo ng Norway ba? Caravan day.
Next year na yan, Dad.
Ha?
Next year siguro.
Ah, kahit bukas na.
Sa Pilipinas, wala ka nang nakakitang ganito man.
Wala tayong makita ganito sa Pilipinas. Marami man niya mahigaan day. Mga 5 or
Did you
6.
see that there's growing something like
What is she bringing?
Tanglad.
Tanglad?
It's not a banana, but something like coconut tree. It's look like.
Coconut tree?
Maybe
Those are apple trees.
Yes. Apple.
Oo, apple. It's apple.
Kita mo ang bike ko lagi digating-ting.
Ang ganda day.
Ang bike ko lagi digating-ting.
Magkano kayo binayaran sa accommodation day?
267.
267.
Ano yan? Naka-record
Oh, naka-record yan. Okay, informative man to si Elisa. 267 day, no?
Yeah.
Tapos, each tayo, pag 57, 67.
53.
Tag 53 euros kami, guys. So, dalawang gabi, bawat tao sa amin. Kasali si Anika. Pero meron pang isa na merong space
ito nga,
na.
oh, may katabi yan dito na ano, dapat ito nga siguro wala pang tao. Dapat siguro.
Oo nga. Dahil tingnan daw natin doon, Day. Ano yun meron doon? O, ano kami dyan mamaya. Mag-yusi-yusi si Archie dyan mamaya. No? Oh, maganda din yung glamping na ganun. Oh. Magkano kaya yung ganyan?
Wala lang siya kasi parang 3%.
Ay, 3% lang yung ganyan?
Yung atin nga yung pinagpinuan natin.
Pinakamalaki? Ah, hindi. Tingnan mo yung mga daffodils, Day. Ang ganda, Day. Ang ganda, Day. Tignan niyo yung mga daffodils. Uy, nukunen, oh. Ayan, oh.
Ayoko na niya.
Stinging nettle. Ang ganda, guys. Oh, kagwapa. Nami, Day. Alam, may tent palagi yun doon. Yung doon sa dulo. No? Ang ganda. Grabe, Day. Yung mga ganyan nila ng tanim, Day. Oh, magtubo-tubo lang kung saan.
Ano, oo, ayaw dito.
No? Sa Finland, ginabaligya ba yan na? No?
Dito wala lang.
Dito wala lang siya. Andyan lang siya.
Ang bango pa naman yan.
Sobra.
I've seen the wishing well, but I don't throw pennies down below. I've seen a shooting star, but I don't follow where it goes. I'm not the superstitious kind. You were always meant to be mine. La 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 la. Some people pray all day and cross their fingers tightly in a bow, but I've got open eyes and arms stretched wide because I know you will be